In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on cTrader mobile. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one is going to be on the trade tab at the bottom left. So this is going to open up by default when you open up your app. And then over here on your watch list, you can find, of course, everything you've put on your watch list. So if you want to buy or sell or trade anything over here, you want to tap either on the buy button or the sell button next to the asset. So if I tap on, for example, buy over here, next to AUD USD, I'm going to tap on buy, and as you can see, it's going to take me to where I can place order. I can also tap on the sell button and it's going to take me to the exact same page, which I'll show you how to enter as well in just a few seconds. But if you want to, of course, find a different asset, so up top, if I tap on the search box and I go to, for example, metals over here, and if I tap on, I don't know, maybe this silver over here, if I do that, it's going to open up like this, and then from here I can go and of course select if I want to buy or sell. Okay, so to do this, you could also tap on any of these assets, and there we go. It's going to get you inside that specific kind of assets about page. Okay, so you have like the chart, the price alert, you have up top, you have the quick trader, etc. And then the first way to trade in here is up top. You could tap on the sell or buy buttons, and these two are basically the quick buy and quick sell buttons. And in the middle, you can set the quantity in lots as well. Now, if you want to place a new order, you want to tap at the bottom where it says new order, and it's going to open up this place order window. You could also go to the trade tab and tap, as I showed you earlier, on the sell or the buy buttons over here, or you could go and tap on new order at the bottom right on the trade menu. Okay, all these things are going to open up this trade menu, which is of course the place order menu, and then first you can select up top if you want market, limit, stop, or stop limit order. And when you do this, you want to select your symbol over here as well. For this, I'm just going to do XAU USD. Then up top, you can pick if you want to sell or buy. There we go. Then you can select your quantity, and of course, you can select market range. You can add a take profit, a stop loss. You can add multiple take profits as well. And if you want to break even, that's also available over here. Then you can add a comment to your order and tap on place order at the bottom, and the order is going to be placed and then filled. So those are the basic ways to place a trade. But if you actually want to trade on your chart, you can also do that. So tap on charts at the bottom is the second tab. And then here by default, at the bottom, you will see, of course, you can see the sell and buy buttons. Now in the middle, you can see the lots, so you can adjust these if you want to, but essentially you can just tap on sell or buy, and that's going to buy or sell directly from your chart. Now at the very left hand side of the sell button, or at the right hand side of the buy button, there's like a few dots. You can see 6 dots. If you tap and drag up from there, it's going to, just like this, place the order at a specific price, just like that. Okay, you can also do that on here on the chart if you want to, and you can also add stop losses and take profits as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to place a trade on cTrader. Those are all the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.